Break it up, break it up. Stop wrestling. Stop this.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, sister, they are just niños trying to release their wiggles.
But wrestling is bad. You guys can get hurt.
This is true. This is true. Instead of wrestling, maybe you guys should practice being goalkeeper. Goalkeepers get all the fancy clothes and all the lotions and the creams. Let's first try and practice goalkeeping. Okay. Boys and girls, welcome to goalkeeper lesson number 2. Last week we practiced catching, scoop, and window, and this time we're going to practice diving again. Before you can become a very good goalkeeper, you have to continue working on your dives. Today, my friend Tyler is going to assist me. Now, I have a very fancy goal here. Now, not everyone needs a fancy goal. You can use anything. Cones, sticks, shoes, bags, just to make a goal. Now, Tyler, I'm going to start off on my knees because it's very good for young goalkeepers to start off on their knees before they go to their feet. You're going to roll one low, and I'm going to dive on my side and give it back to you. After I give it back to you, toss one up in the air, and I'm going to show how to catch it when it's in the air and come down safely so it doesn't hurt. Tyler, you can stand up, but when you roll, try and get as low as you can, okay? Stand a little bit closer to me. It's good for your partner to be close to you, so it's easier for you. All right, Tyler, here we go. Roll one on the ground. I'm going to try and get behind the ball right there with my W, with my window, and I give it back to Tyler. Now throw it up in the air here. Good. We're going to do that a couple times. We're going to go ground, air, ground, air, ground, air. Now do another ground. And in the air, I'm going to talk to the kids for a second. I go like this, and I bring the ball down to the ground. When I bring the ball down to the ground like this cushions my fall, and it makes my fall a lot easier. Remember last week we explained not to do this because you could hurt your elbow. So when you fall, you bring the ball down to the ground and you lay down on your shoulder. Boys and girls, you are going to go play this. You're going to practice diving both to the right side and the left side. You're going to do ground and then air, ground and then air. I want you guys to pause the video, go outside or in your basement or where you have room in your house and go practice this. I'll be back in a moment. Okay. Now, Tyler, you're going to get those balls ready and we're going to take shots. Okay. Stand over there. Step back one step so you give me some more room to react. Okay, now boys and girls, after you practice that, now it's time for fun. Now you actually have a shooter trying to score in the goal. Now if I stood right here, this would be super easy. So I need to stand outside of the goal so I can make my dive to the right side. Tyler, I'm going to try and attempt to block the ball from going in the goal. And when I do this, I want to have a low body position. Because you're so close to me, I want to be low, on my toes, and ready to pounce to my right side. Now, if you score, that's a great job. I'm just trying to make a few saves. You're going to get 4 shots. Let's see how many of the 4 you can make in. All right. 1, 2. Let me get set and ready. Ready. 3. And 4. Boys and girls, practice this going to both sides. So after this round, I move my goal to the left. And Tyler, let's show them one dive to the left side. So I'm over here, and now I'm diving to my left. All right, boys and girls, go be a goalkeeper and go read some books.